What's up, y'all? I'm Travis,
And I'm Tyler.
and we are Align Home Loans. And we just wanted to tell you a little bit about our company, but to do that, I feel like we need to tell you a little bit about ourselves. So like I mentioned, I am Travis. I am originally from Florida, but have been in Texas 16 years. So I think I'm pretty vouched for the Austin area. I live in South Austin with my wife and my awesome 3 kids. And I started my career in kind of a local banking atmosphere, moved to regional banking, and then eventually is where I met Tyler at a local credit union. But the last 10 plus years have been focused on mortgage lending. It's really where I found my passion and my niche of helping people and truly enjoy what I do. On my personal time, you can probably find us at a concert, maybe like Blues on the Green, or volunteering for Marbridge. I'm a big Special Olympics coach. I've been for the past 20 plus years due to my brother being an athlete. But when I do have some free time, I'm doing those things. But most of my free time is with my 3 kids, who at the time of this video are 3 years old and 2-year-old twins. So it's kind of crazy right now.
Crazy it is for sure. Yeah. I'm from a tiny little town of Medina, outside of Kerrville, San Antonio area, small little 1A school. So my wife, I had 21 kids in my graduating class. She thought that was a joke. She's from Austin. But anywho, I went to Texas A&M, studied finance there. Out of college, got a first little insurance job, but I knew I wanted to kind of get into real estate, lending, that direction. And my wife said, "Hey, I want to move back to Austin, where I'm born and raised." So I got a job, like I said, met Travis at the credit union, doing the mortgage thing. And at the end of 2012 is when that started, which is
crazy to think about. Yeah,
a real long time ago. So, and then Travis and I, we stuck together. Went from the local credit union to more of the bank, and then obviously now we're kind of rock and rolling with our Align Home Loans. We're brokerage, and we got a lot of options. My family, my wife, and I, we got 3 kiddos as well. So when we show up together, we're normally pretty loud with our crew. But we live out in Dripping Springs. My kiddos are all 3 less than 10 years old. It's busy. Normally, weekends we got soccer. I volunteer at the school a lot of times, and while they're help coach them and have fun. So we're not full time working, which is full time commitment, but we like what we do. So we're always around. It's a lot of fun with the kiddos. So.
Yeah, and what I love working with Tyler is we definitely have some differences. You may have noticed the accent with him, and not so much me. But we treat mortgage lending the same way. We really are got into this to help people. What is similar about us is we're both sons of educators. Both our parents were educators, and that's kind of how we treat this process. We like to inform people of their options, give them game plans on how to make the best financial decision when it comes to a mortgage, because it's a pretty important decision you're going to be making. And that's why we created Align Home Loans. Like we mentioned, we've done it at a local credit union level. We've done it at a big bank mortgages institution. And all of those were great experiences. We love being there. But we created Align Home Loans to do it how we wanted to do it. And so we truly want to have those one-on-one connections and build that relationship with you. So we're here to help you meet any of your financial needs when it comes to mortgage related. Give us a call. Based on our previous experiences, we can kind of give you advice on all aspects of this process.
Yeah. The only thing to add to that is, like Travis said, we always joke about all our differences, but at the end of the day, I know one thing that Travis and I were the same about. We stress. We think about you. We want to find a solution. We are here and local. We're not just a 1-800 number that hides behind the scenes one day when it's busy or stressful. Like we're in it. We're in the community. Our faces want to keep a positive image and positive name, and so we genuinely care about every person that we talk to and help. And so that's why to me we've been successful together, just knowing that we just want to take care of people.
Yeah, we're going to be with you from that very first phone call all the way to the closing table when the keys are put in your hand. And if you want to invite us to your first barbecue afterwards, we'll come by.
Yeah, I'll be there.
All right. Thanks, y'all.